Hello everyone, it's me, Zoe at WeShipFloors. I have been gone a while, just recovering and getting my voice back now from having bronchitis. Yes, it is quite an ordeal and takes a long time to get well. But I thought I'd go ahead and do a video. I think a lot of people are wanting to see doing some of the video coverage on our lighter oak and other lighter SPC products. Some of these are going to be part of the Essentials line, and just go ahead and get started. I will let you know as we go. So right off the bat, one of our originals is the SPC 002 Krypton. This is what I would say a natural red oak look with a honey tint to it, butterscotch color if you will, and it has character marks and a natural plank to plank variation. And so this is 3 planks wide. I'm focusing in right in the center of the video, 3 planks wide, and this shows you that tone on tone variation and a lot of the character that is to be expected with this color. And I'll get closer so you can see some of that. I have a big window behind me, so I am getting a lot of natural light, but I also have some incandescent lamps above me that is in the track lighting in the ceiling. Keep this in mind as color does change due to your light source. I've had a lot of comments about how lighting is affecting the look and color tones, so be sure if you're remodeling or building, make sure to work with the light source that is ultimately going to be in your project. So now I wanted to go over here to one that I haven't done a special video on yet, and I don't have a display yet, but I thought it was interesting excuse me, how this shows some of the variation in this particular one. This one is an Essentials product, and it is BSPC 113 Elkhorn. You can find it on the website under that code. And see how these tones range. I'm going to go ahead and separate these out for the minute so you can see that better. It is more of a khaki natural coloration, and I can tell right now that in the video that plank right there looks much darker than it really is. That's why we're so glad to send you samples. If you want any samples of Supercore, just call us up and we'll talk with you about the different designs and colors and help you narrow it down so that we can send you a sample package. So this Elkhorn color is the 3 planks side by side in the center of the video, and it's really pretty. We've got it in a professional video shot, or picture shot rather, that really makes it show its true beauty. So those are some of the tones, and I pulled these planks out because I thought they were more significant so that you could understand that tone on tone variation as well as see some of the character. Now I have already done a video on our oak natural. This is SPC 020. Available on our Originals and Extreme line, and it is just a what I would call a red oak look, but more of a select type as there's no knots. So those of you that really like the Krypton may prefer the oak natural without knots for a different type of finished design look. and you can kind of see those at the same time. Similar tone in there for color, just a difference in character. And the oak natural has very little variation, but if you were to look at a box of it, it would have some subtle tones that would be different from plank to plank, so that it has that more realistic look. Natural materials are going to have that natural variation, and we try to mimic that. Okay, moving on to a new color. We have the BSPC 115 Navajo. It is on our essentials page for Supercore. And this one's a nice change, but it is still a new, more of a neutral oak coloration with more of a gray undertone happening here. So it has a touch of the honey golden color in there, and I'm going to see if I can really get that right there. You can kind of see that, but again, a lot of gray is in it also. We've had some people looking for this type of look. Not sure if it's going to hit the mark for what folks are asking for, but it is a new color, and we think it'll do rather well. It's got a lot of nice character in it. It's not too busy of a pattern. And so these are the 3 planks I pulled out of the box that I thought were significant to show, and hopefully help you understand that character and color in there. Now, right next to it, in case anyone wants to know, is our Tennessee River Hickory. It is going to be on our extreme line now. I believe we are out of it in the 20 mil original, and so now it's a 30 mil on the extreme tab in Supercore. And it's more of a hickory look, but it's worth mentioning because for this video, I'm just trying to go over a lot of the lighter colors in our selection. So I'm just gonna move those planks out of the way and show you really quick. Right there's a bright spot from the window, just kind of showing itself there. And then we have a little bit of shadow in the interior right side. Okay, wasn't really intended to put that one in the video, but it was right there. And again, when I stand back, you can see that it has some of those lighter tones. Like if you like Krypton, but you want more business happening, more character, you might really like the Tennessee River Hickory. And then last but not least, want to cover it. Beautiful natural oak look here in our oak wagon wheel. It's on the Essentials tab in Supercore. And it's just a really pretty soft palette of tones, real natural looking, like a honey oak. And it's got a lot of this really interesting character in there. Again, it's subtle, it doesn't jump out. For those that want that happy medium of a natural oak and not so much strength on the character knots, but some character, this is the answer. Really like the look of this one. Again, it's on the Essentials tab under Supercore, and you can find it by searching model number BSPC 103. So there you go, folks. I'm going to stand back for one more quick shot. Again, to the left there, the SPC 002 Krypton. Mingled together here is the BSPC Elkhorn. And I will go ahead and move these others out of the way. These are just some loose planks. I'm in here on a Saturday trying to catch up on videos, so bear with me on the rustic video quality. So, okay, the Oak Natural right there in the back. And then again, the BSPC 115 Navajo, a new introduction this week. And don't let the video fool you. It's really not that gray. I certainly look forward to the response on this new color, and look forward to any comments. You can put those in below. Let me know if there's other video comparisons you'd like. There are about 45 or so colors right now, so there is a lot to manage. And again, I've been out of pocket for about 3 weeks now, I think. And I do apologize, but I hope this will help some folks understand some of these colors and help you visualize. Again, reach out to us at WeShipFloors.com. Look up any of the model numbers directly, request some samples, or call us up for advice, and we'll be glad to help you as much as possible. Thank you so much.